Hello, we are about to land. The flight took what they say, so it's almost yeah, almost let's say 10 o'clock by the time that we will land. We met a new friend, but he's a bit shy. Yeah, maybe he wanna be part or no? No. Hello, maybe he can say hello in Spanish. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Buenos días. Buenos días. Mark. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Mark, can you point where we are? Oh, it's so dark. We are here. Mao. Here. Mao, and we are going to Cala Galdana. We arrived. This is our hotel, Audax Spa and Wellness Hotel. Which way? $719. Voila! Oh, green. And a balcony. Whoa. Wow, it's lovely.
Nice view, but
Still really nice. Mitjana. We are going to Cala Mitjana. It's 1.8 kilometers from here. And another day we will go to Cala Turqueta. This way. Whoa!
man, look at that. That is gorgeous.
And it was like, what, 15 minutes from Cala Galdana walking?
If that, yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. It's not beautiful? We are going down there. We found another beach. This one is bigger, but the color of the sea is the same. It's just amazing blue. Jesus Christ. Hello, today is an exciting day. We are kayaking. We're in a cave. Oh, the water, look at that. If something comes from here, I'm the first one. Oh no, it's a dead end.
Yeah.
It's nothing there. There you go, we are out. We were the first ones. You don't need a light anymore, I think. Time to explore some awesome caves. Are you coming? We are going to Cova de Coloms. It's apparently a huge cave. You think we are gonna make it?
Yeah. I'm optimistic.
Oh! Yeah. I see something there. We've been walking 10-15 minutes.
So I think they're right here.
Yeah, he's always right, the guy said. It's here, there is a sign here. It's good. Yeah. Oh, this cova is... Oi! Look at that!
Is this it?
Cova Polida.
This is a different one.
Recuerdo que no se puede entrar sin linternas. We need torch.
Access to the cave.
40 meters.
You cannot enter without flashlights. About 40 meters depth,
Por
with a narrow
toda-
entrance followed by 2 different
Estalactitas, estalagmitas, algunas de...
corridors. Okay, there are stalagmites and stalactites. Some of them destroyed by the blastings in the cave, which took place in the past with the aim of obtaining marble. Ah. It's a habitat with high humidity and therefore a high proliferation of microorganisms. Well, we're going to catch something.
And we are here. Catch something?
No.
We left the kayaks here, in this beach here. Playa de Vinigaos. And we walked this path and now we got here. Oh, I see there are two, love.
Are there?
Yeah, look. Have a look here. We've got Cova Polida and we've got Cova de Coloms.
Oh.
So this is the first one, and after, if we carry on, we will find the second one.
Okay. Let's go.
Which one you want to go?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
Have we got time?
No.
So?
I don't care, we're here. Come on, let's do it.
Hey. Here. Whoa. Okay. Fair enough. Ooh, someone is coming.
Someone in there?
Hello.
God, look at that.
A girl in bikini exploring caves. Come with us. You're not expecting such a big cave here. Come back inside.
Why?
The keys.
Oh.
Careful, careful, careful. Mind your head. Come on, come back. One more. Let's go. Now I'm happy. Oh dear. Oh dear. Wow. Hello. Hola. Hola.
Oh my god. Holy shit. The hell? Go and stand right in the middle so that I can show how big this is. Yeah.
I'm in the dark. You cannot imagine how big is this. It's like a cathedral.
Jesus. Unbelievable. Hello.
We have a plan. We are gonna cycle. We hired some bikes, mountain bikes. 17 euros per day, so one day, 24 hours. We will bring them back tomorrow at the same time. We are planning to go to Ciudadela, and we are gonna go to two amazing beaches. It's called Cala Macarelleta and Cala Turqueta. Very promising, and let's see. It's a bit hilly. It's very sunny. It's so sunny. We're gonna get burned. I'm sure 100%. And I'm Spanish. You know, my skin is quite dark, but I know I need to use a lot of sun cream, at least on my face and my shoulders. It's gonna be the worst, but I hope with sun cream I will be fine. Let's see. We arrived here with the bikes. You wanna know where is here? Here is here.
Yep, my mom will just take it back from Florida.
It's not beautiful? That is awesome. Look at the beach there. We are going there. Where are we? You don't need to say the name of the city, Ciudadela. But where? Can you describe the place where we are?
It's like children's playground. Cafes all around.
What kind of food we ate? Which ones?
Albondigas and patatas bravas.
Did you like it? Yeah? Why did we eat it?
Why?
Yeah.
Fucking desperate.
And we need some energy for...
Cycling. We cycled too far. We picked the wrong route. It's definitely a footpath.
You ended up
for
lifted.
climbers. So yeah, it was more carrying bikes than cycling on bikes.
Yeah, actually it's gonna be only cycling the way back.
Yeah,
We could call it cycling.
A different route, I think.
Yeah. Do you regret?
No, nothing. How about you?
No, I don't regret. What about The sweet that we ate before. The pastry. What was that? Remember the name?
Apple tart.
In Spanish?
No, I don't.
Tarta de manzana.
Tarta de manzana.
It was the best one you had?
Yeah, I think so. Just right.
Yes, right.
Just right.
Like my grandmother used to make it.
Well, I have no idea. I've never eaten your grandmother's.
When you will meet my grandmother, you will eat it.
Oh, okay. That's a good reason to meet her.
Yeah. I'm not sure.